Okay, so today we're going to make oobleck. I have my daughter Jocelyn helping us today. So far we have 1 cup of water, blue food color, and 2 cups of cornstarch. So go ahead and put your cornstarch in your empty bowl carefully. We're doing 2 cups of cornstarch and 1 cup of water, so we can make more. Go ahead and knock the bottom so you get it all in there. Okay. Next, you're going to add you can put your food color inside of your water and mix that very slowly. So go ahead and do a couple of drops.
The water?
Yes.
Mm.
4 to 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and use the little wooden spoon to mix it around slowly. Go ahead, you just push. I'll clean it up later, don't worry. There you go. Okay, so then slowly mix that. Okay, so then go ahead and stick that wooden inside of the cornstarch, don't worry. Okay, so then now you're going to go ahead and pour your water into the cornstarch. So you can pour all of it because that's 1 cup of water and there's 2 cups of cornstarch. And then go ahead and carefully start mixing. You're probably going to need a paper towel, so I'm going to grab one. So mix, mix, mix. And then once you get it mixed, you can start to use your hands. If you need some help, I can help you. Is it hard?
Mm-hmm.
Do you need help?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm gonna help. Okay, let me see. Oh, it is really hard. Why? Oh my. I don't know if this is right. I don't understand. Well, let's try touching it. Oh! I guess it feels kind of right because it's when you put your hands in.
Okay.
There we go. I think it's feeling better now, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so keep working with that. How does that feel? What does it feel like? Can you form a small ball? Try to form a ball.
Roll it?
Yes. Okay, so that is our oobleck. Thanks for watching.